What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could rewire your mind for peace, joy, and effortless positivity? What if you could break free from the patterns of negativity that hold you back and replace them with thoughts that empower and uplift you, all by making one simple commitment? You're about to take a powerful journey called the 7-Day Mental Diet, inspired by the timeless teachings of Emmet Fox and backed by modern neuroscience. This practice is a complete mental reset designed to help you transform your thinking and reshape your reality. Science now confirms what the greatest spiritual teachers have always known: your thoughts create your experience. And by consciously redirecting your mind away from negativity and toward positivity, you can rewire your brain for lasting change. Just think what this can do for people that are experiencing chronic anxiety or symptoms of depression. Through this meditation, you will learn to recognize negative thoughts the moment they arise, release them effortlessly, and replace them with thoughts that heal, inspire, and elevate you. And here's the best part. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Neuroplasticity ensures that with each new positive thought, your mind becomes stronger, calmer, and more resilient. So, if you're ready to discover the power of your mind and experience true mental freedom, let's begin. Now, let me just say, this practice is not about suppressing thoughts or forcing positivity. Instead, it's a gentle, intentional process of training your mind to release what no longer serves you and to nurture thoughts that inspire, heal, and lift you up. Neuroscience tells us that our brains are designed to change. Through neuroplasticity, the brain's natural ability to form new connections and pathways, you have the power to rewire your mind. Every thought you choose to entertain leaves a trace in your neural network. Repeated positive thoughts strengthen the pathways that lead to joy, resilience, and creativity. Through this meditation, you will learn how to notice, release, and replace negative thoughts in a way that feels natural and empowering. Let's begin. Close your eyes and settle into a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the cool air enter your body, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment. And now, gently release your breath through your mouth, feeling your shoulders relax, feel your jaw soften, and your entire body growing calm and still. Breathe in deeply once more. Hold it for a moment or two. And exhale slowly, letting go of all tension. Continue breathing deeply, slowly and rhythmically. Feel the air nourishing your body and mind, like a gentle wave of peace washing over you. As you relax, let me explain why this practice is so powerful. Your brain is constantly reshaping itself based on the thoughts you think most often. This process, called neuroplasticity, allows you to rewire your brain over time by intentionally choosing new, healthier thought patterns. Additionally, the reticular activating system, or RAS, acts as a filter for your consciousness. It directs your attention toward what you focus on the most. When you consistently choose positive, constructive thoughts, your RAS begins to actively seek out more positivity in your own environment, enhancing your overall experience of life. This is also reference to confirmation bias or cognitive bias. Either one of those terms will apply here as well. Replacing negative thoughts with neutral or positive ones also releases dopamine, the brain's natural reward chemical. This creates a positive feedback loop, reinforcing your new mental habits and making them easier and more enjoyable to maintain. By committing to the 7-day mental diet, you are retraining your brain to naturally gravitate toward thoughts that serve you, uplift you, and empower you. Now, let's explore how you will do this. There's a 3-step process: notice, release, and replace. Anytime a negative thought arises, whether it's about yourself, someone else, or the world around you, to include the weather, you will follow this simple process: notice, release, replace. Step 1 is noticing. This is your awareness. When a negative thought appears, gently bring your awareness to it. Acknowledge it without judgment or resistance. Simply say to yourself, "This is a negative thought." Again, this isn't about suppressing. These thoughts are going to come up. It's just whether or not you entertain them is what is considered doing the mental diet. So you first recognize the thought as negative, which is the first step to disempowering it. Step 2, release. This is letting go. Now, imagine that thought drifting away like a cloud in the sky. Watch as it floats higher and higher, dissolving into the atmosphere, or visualize it melting into pure light, leaving your mind free, open, and clear. You are just merely observing that thought coming up. You don't engage it, and you visualize it moving out of your field of vision. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the thought leaving your body completely. If you need a verbal cue, you can say, "I release this thought. It does not serve me." Step 3 is replace. This is all about redirecting your focus. Finally, you're going to choose a new thought to replace the old one. It can be something positive or something neutral, such as, "Isn't that interesting?" I use that one a lot. If you catch yourself judging someone, replace the judgment with compassion. Think to yourself, "They're doing the best that they can, just like I am." If you feel anxious about the future, replace it with trust. I choose to focus on what I can control. If you feel inadequate, replace it with empowerment. I am learning and growing every day. The key is not to force yourself into artificial positivity, but rather to gently shift your focus towards something that feels more empowering, peaceful, and constructive. Now, imagine your mind as a beautiful, serene garden. You walk through lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and gently swaying trees. The air is calm, soothing, filled with the scent of blossoms and fresh earth. As you walk, you notice a few stray weeds. They represent your negative, unhelpful, unresourceful thought patterns. Rather than feeling frustration, you simply pluck them from the soil and allow them to dissolve into pure light. Every time you remove a weed, a new, beautiful flower grows in its place. You are the gardener of your mind. Each time you notice, release, and replace, you cultivate a landscape of peace, positivity, and creativity. Repeat the following affirmations mentally or out loud, allowing them to take root in your subconscious mind. I choose thoughts that empower and uplift me. My mind is a garden, and I plant only seeds of love and growth. Every moment is a chance to choose again. I release what no longer serves me and embrace what nourishes my soul. Allow these words to fill you with peace and certainty. You are training your mind to embrace a new reality, one of joy, calm, and clarity. Whenever you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and your toes and feel the surface beneath you. Take one more deep, refreshing breath and release. Remember, this is a practice of progress, not perfection. Every time you notice, release, and replace, you are strengthening your mind's ability to choose peace over negativity. See if you can do this for 7 days in a row and drop a comment below and let me know how it's going. Thank you for sharing this journey with me. You are capable, powerful, and deserving of a joyful, peaceful, serene mind. Take care.